To add water to your MyFitnessPal app in diary, firstly open MyFitnessPal app, click on diary option. You can see here different options: breakfast, lunch, snacks and water. Here you have to click on add water here. In this way you can see the different types of bottles are here. Firstly, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Add the milliliters of water like 500 milliliters. Click on save. In this way your waters will be saved. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.